Longitude and time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth. The moon and the planet, the sun, regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally it is the best timekeeper throughout the year, throughout the world. Local time can be denoted by the shadow cast of the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places to the west will be behind, and the rate of the differences can be calculated as shown. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degrees east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m., but 15 degrees west of Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by an hour. It will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. At any places, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. When it is midday, the time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on the given meridian of longitude have the same local time. Why do we have standard time? The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which crosses several longitudes in India. For instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. It is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of the country as the standard time for the country in India. The latitude of 82 degrees east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time as the meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they'll not be able to sleep tonight. A day and night cricket match between India and England has started at 2 p.m. in London. This means that the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India and finish well into the night. Do you know what is the time difference between India and England? India located east of Greenwich at 82 degree and 30 east in 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 o'clock p.m. noon in London. Some countries have great longitudinal extent and so they have adopted more and one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are as many as 11 standard time. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Each zone thus converts 15 degree of longitude. Thank you, and that's all we have in this chapter.